Good morning, beautiful pond lovers. Today is a beautiful cold winter's day. I don't know if you can hear it, but the birds are singing. But I am going to start prettying up this little grow-on pond with some bits that I've been given over the 4 years. And the first thing I'm going to put on this new little pond is the bits that were kindly donated to me by JS Koi. If you don't know who JS Koi are, you're crazy, but JS Koi are the manufacturers of these Bakki showers, and they are fantastic bits of kit, really are. If you didn't see that video, go back and check it out. I'll put the link up here somewhere. Brilliant video. But yeah, JS Koi gave me some plaques. I've got a couple more plaques as well to go up, but I believe that one says fish. I don't know if I'm getting these around the right way. That one says wisdom, and I just dropped it on the floor. And that one says summer. Yeah, it is around the right way. So yeah, I'm going to get them 3 plaques on and then get the next ones. So that's the first 3 plaques up. Got summer, wisdom and fish. So what's next? Got summer, wisdom and fish. So next we have 3 lovely plaques of some gorgeous fishies. So I'll get these up on the pond as well. So the Orchiba's in here. He looks good up there. Absolutely beautiful little plaque. And the other 2 are out here. So let's get you a bit of a more of a wide angle shot, if I don't trip over. So that's all my plaques up. You've all probably noticed by now I've got a little round plaque in there. It looks 3D, but it isn't. It's a little flat plaque of thin aluminium of some kind. But, that's going up on there. I need to get me a little nail or screw to put that up. There is a tiny little hole in it to hang it. So I'll go get that now. And voila, that's now up. Now some of you may be thinking, how did I stick these on here? Well, I used the good old MS300, so they ain't going to come down once they've set. And literally all I've done is a couple of on the back of each, just like that. And, you can see on there a couple of big old blobs on the back of each one. That one had a bit of a big blob, and the same with the little plaques at the top, although that one's twisted ever so slightly, so I have to keep my eye on these as they're setting and just make sure they're all still plumb and level. Yeah, so far so good. What's next? Okay, so next thing that's going in there is actually some shout-outs. I'm surprised nobody asked me why is there a shelf at the back of the pond. It wasn't for bonsais, although it comes in handy for wintering some bonsais, but what it was put there for originally was for some shout-outs. So let me put the first few in and we'll give some shout-outs. So the first 4 shout-outs have to go to these 4 people. These are the people that have really helped during all of my pond builds. So CWD for their support with Windows, MS300, advice, great company. They make sleek ponds. They supply the MS300. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. Next big shout out is to my local dealer, who has been there for more advice, more money saving tips than anyone could have ever been. Mark at JKI, thank you very much. Beacon Koi for their help and support with food and YouTube videos and everything. Great company again, go check them out. Mr. Reefer Jack. Now, I know he's a Marmite character. You either love him or hate him. I'm afraid I'm one of the people that love him, and he's been very helpful with my pond build. So again, massive shout out to Jack. Wow, I needed a bigger shelf. Let me spin you around. I had no idea I had this many mugs in the old mug cupboard, but I found them all. Now, I do have a duplicate, so I'll ask him if it's okay to do it as a giveaway for someone that doesn't have one of his mugs. But yeah, I've got way too many mugs. So some big old shout outs there. What we got? Sharpie, Lee Hatfield, GJ Alberts, Koi, maybe, My Boys Koi, MJH, Peterborough Koi Club, can't read that one, Tony's Koi Pond, Phil G's Koi Pond, Fenland Lass, me, My Boys Koi, Andy's Koi Puddle, Peterborough Koi Club, Shrewsbury Koi, one of my favourites from right across the pond, Kiefer's Koi Heaven, Scrag 68, Kashi, Pond and Garden, and I got busted by the YouTube police. And then down the back there we have Eden Koi and Skeggy Pond. On the top, got two Peterborough Koi Clubs, the original one established in 2019. No idea who sent me the Koi Tanchos mug. I think it might have been Mum, not sure. If it wasn't, apologies whoever sent it. That's the other Peterborough Koi Club mug. And that one was from Wayside Koi, print and design, a long time ago. But yeah, I'm going to need a bigger shelf. Either that, or I think I might put some mug hooks underneath it and hang some up, because although they're all quite stable on there and there's not going to get much wind in there, I don't kind of like them all stacked up like that. But we'll see. If I have to fish any out of the pond, I will. So yeah, some big shout outs there. I'll speak to Kashi, as I've somehow ended up with two duplicates of his mug. He does like to give his mugs out, but I'll ask him, and if he doesn't mind, I'll do a giveaway for an extra Kashi's mug. So what else is left to do? Got to put my little plaque up. Let's have a look. I want to get that plaque up on the wall properly. Best way to do that. Not sure. Come back to you. There we go. So I've hung the plaque up on two little screws, and then I've stuck the fish on with some MS300. Again, got my plaque up, my little plaques up from JS Koi, and then all my lovely mugs that all the YouTubers, subscribers and dealers have sent or given me over the years. So it's no Twisted Koi collection by any means, but it is a rather large collection, so I'm certainly not short of a mug or two if I ever have hundreds of guests over, am I? I just have to take them in and wash them up. PKC back at Garry's pond. For those of you that can remember Garry's pond, his fish have all doubled in size. He's only heating to 10 degrees this year, but they are massive. Videos never do fish justice, but that crashy guy down there is an absolute tank. It looks tiny from over here, but it's huge. About the same size as that Shisui. Some absolutely cracking fish. Yeah, it's still winter, he's still got his covers on, but I helped him uncover this bit this morning so we can all see him. Had a good turnout. About 15 people turned up today. So yeah, catch you all back at mine. Garry's son Charlie has treated us to some koi cookies today. As you can see, we've polished off one plate, but another plate yet to go. Thank you, Charlie. Much appreciated. Couple more mugs found in the back of the cupboard. The original Keeping It Koi mug that Mummy made for me. Thank you, Mummy. Telford Koi Pond and Seaver's Pond. But yeah, just a quick one today, guys. Not a lot more to do with the ponds. I've already had a feed. You guys didn't see it today. But drum's still working a treat. So on that night, guys, thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next one.